Alright, I think we are ready. So, doing something different again. It's been a while since I last did any actual programming. So, I've been doing a bit of this here ahead of time, but basically I'm just trying to create like an overlay against the ring map for like chaos and that. So I don't think using the specific map to use for this is going to be best, so I'm probably going to but I do like is this specific green here, because that's like a Control-Shift-C. Okay, pick, okay, and that. Okay, yeah, that's good enough. Okay. Oh, hate how it does that sometimes. Okay, you know what? That zoom. Is there any, I don't even know if I can do like a color texture. Gradient texture? I've never used these before. Use gradient. I guess. Well, that works. Okay. And then I guess I'll set a default parameter. 0.65, because that's going to be the limit. 65. This is basically like every area that's like you can get everything. So okay. Okay, so, and that should cover it to this. Yes, so, okay, this is actually pretty cool. I think, really goes to show how sparse it is, I guess, is the best way of putting it. Okay. Yeah, I think 0.6, you know, I'm going to go back to the shader, specifically, and set it to 6.5 by default. And there we go. Okay, so now, go to here, I'm going to want to create some new configs. Debug. Bring chaos map overlay. And I'll open up text. Oh my goodness, that's that. Oh, welcome. But yeah, that's incredible. Okay, you know what I'll do? Here, let me open up a browser page. I'll show you an extension that I got. I don't know. I think you use Firefox. That might be easier for you, but I'm sure this one has a Chrome extension. I mean, I think you're a Firefox user, I remember. But now streaming will show you notifications of people when they go live. It's not the best. You do have to do a bit of fiddle with it, but it works for the most part. So if you want to use it, that's what I've been using. I actually haven't made use of it, but I do get notifications. Yeah, I know, but I mean, hey, at least it's better than what Twitch actually provides by itself, right? Okay, so this is what I've basically got here. It's really simple, and then here I'll show you what's this. So basically, I'm using the chaos map here to overlay. In fact, let me just save chaos cover. No, that makes sense. Okay, that's fair enough. And mind if I ask which ones? I'm guessing like the SMS app is going to be one of those, because that one makes sense. So in fact here, yeah, this is the overlay. So basically, yeah, that's reasonable. So basically, these green overlays are the 0.65 chaos, basically the minimum required to get all events. So I'm going to. Okay, I don't even remember where this. Okay, where does this thing come from? Hard compare. Actually, I can just do it. Okay. I am going to. Where's the model? I mean, I'm going to want the equipment one because that's. I don't remember where I put things half the time in this. There's a few of them. I mean, there's, yeah, okay, here, it's easier if I just go to this one because it's a lot easier to see against a black background. This one, right? I mean, actually, it's probably easier if I, yeah, this one, right? Because, this one, like, yeah, green will be, like, Western music is actually a better way of visualizing what this actually means. And also, it's interesting to show that the shadow basically is more dense than the actual bright parts. I mean, and there's probably a few others like this. I know this one looks alright, but this one looks like the biggest one. I think I've actually been to this specific area before. And then, of course, these are the patches right on the edge. In fact, I think they do overflow into the gap for some reason, but oh yeah. That one in particular. Okay, let's see against chaos cover. So that looks, yeah, to be like, actually here, if I, okay, I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna quickly switch it over to stream, and where did I put this? Events, chaos map, chaos border. Yeah, it's this. It is actually that exact one that I was showing. Let me go back to chat. Yeah, so it is actually that one. So let me just, yeah, undo it back. I don't know. I don't know, to be honest. I think probably as long as I can manage. I mean, it is a Friday, so gonna be a bit better than some other days. So I don't know. And then what was I doing? Oh yeah, I was setting up a config for this. So okay. And get the tooltip. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I mean, I'll stay on for, I don't know how long, but I might be back. I might still be on when you finish. I could actually change to, Delta V. I don't know what I'm doing with this. I think I just, as the saying goes, fuck around and find out. And I want to get this done because I've been meaning to do it for forever. Actually, that's not a great thing. It's just this is what I've been meaning to do forever. So. Yeah, I mean, I went to. I think I told you this earlier, but I went to it not too long ago, and it wasn't there. It's a shame you didn't think to save like logs or anything, because that could have been instrumental in that. It could have been like that 1 in a million, rogue thick just spawned in there. Okay, that's probably. I'm thinking of something that I could probably put behind a keybind. That's probably going to be a lot of effort for what it is. I'll get this done first before I think about doing anything else, okay? Okay, with this, and... do I even have any, Yeah, and I don't blame you, because even then, if I go to Discord, what someone says... was it? Delta V spoilers. Okay, yeah, but the fact that Likvo did say that it's not not modded implies to me exactly what it is. Exactly, which I think there's something that I don't know. I have checked. In fact, here I will quickly show you the okay, where is it? Story. Big Moonlit Locust. Oh yeah, another thing. Have you heard the new soundtrack yet? Because I suppose I don't know if you would have been able to have activated it from the Hive specifically. Let me try to take. Oh, okay, it's really good. In fact, where is it? Okay, I'm just gonna position it so it's similar to what you have in your screenshot. Okay, so you were about here, and it was like that right here. But okay, this is under the artificial one. As you can see here, there are no scripts to determine anything. And the closest that I thought would have been like, because this is based off of like the yeah, because this is based on this code, the base Moonlit script. This one is used for the uranium cave, and I thought it was like the spawner for the pirate. But you know where that is? It is all the way over here. It's embedded in rock. You're not even even if a pirate were able to spawn, which they are not, by the way, it would spawn in the middle of the rock. Yeah, it's very weird. I don't know what to make of it, to be honest. Okay, what was it doing? Oh yeah. I'm gonna go to the because I know Velocity Plus has a bunch of float time. Okay, so I'm gonna just I can just copy this and okay. Min 0.0 max step 0. Okay, that's actually pretty funny that it's got almost the exact values I wanted, bar like the default. Okay. Okay, so I don't know why I have that in all caps. To show the chaos overlay. I should also mention the fact is, okay, I'll just put that as like a disclaimer. So, that's actually, what was I doing? Oh yeah, I was going to actually, you know, implement this. What I'm gonna do, equipment, main.gd, do I have any, I know I modify the ring somewhere. Oh my goodness. Do you want me, in fact, here, let me zoom in a bit for you. Okay, actually, here we go. Here's the ring. This is where I want to make it. I don't mind making it larger, really. It's, actually, and this part can be shrunk as well, because, so that's equipment, scenes, events. I mean, it's a 1080p screen, so I think that's, I mean, I can't really afford a 4K monitor. I mean, I can't afford anything right now, so. Okay. Nope, wrong key. Fair enough. I mean, okay. You know what? Is that better? Is that better? In fact, I don't even think I can. Oh, I can still go. I can still go further. You know what? Fair enough. Let's do a funny. Oh yeah, I was gonna. See, Windows. There was a different font I used on my last computer. I don't remember which one it was. I think it was one of the. I'm just remembering now. Oh my goodness! Imagine I coding. You know what? Just for the funny, I'm gonna test it. Oh my goodness. Okay, I hate that. Okay, before I get to you on that, I'm gonna quickly change that out to ones I'm actually trying to go. Yeah, I think it's Courier Bold is the one I'm going for. I'm gonna zoom this out a bit so I can. Okay, yeah, this is something that. Okay, so yeah, that sounds about correct to me. Let me go check the shits because I'm too lazy to remember that. And technically, the bald eagle isn't. Yeah, so bald eagle. That's the pelican, peacock, vulture, and stork. I don't. And technically, the bald eagle isn't even a variant. So well, okay. I'll go back here. Says yeah. I mean, the Vulture prospect, okay, ships take forever to load because they're really, really large, or laggy scenes, so I'll quickly demonstrate, it's probably quicker this way. So the Vulture, it inherits the base Eagle, same with the, I mean, it's even easier of an edit for the, Peacock because, in fact, because it's doing less, but the, Pelican, I think, is its own model, just specifies it's an Eagle variant. And here I'll show you. It doesn't inherit the Eagle, but it's still, yeah. So it still has a base ship of the Prospector, and then the Bald Eagle itself. Yeah, this is its own thing. It's like doesn't inherit itself of anything. In fact, doesn't even specify a base ship name. It is just the Bald Eagle. So, yeah, because I mean, there's the other thing. It also depends on how. I mean, the fact is, it is the only ship, quote unquote, variant that achievement abstract. It is the only one that isn't listed under this. Yeah, because prospector variants lists all the prospectors, and yeah, like the prospect, like the only one, like only the bald eagle's under the playtime for the bald eagle, which makes sense. It's its own thing. Also, I like the fact that the Kitsune, OCP, and Aimi have their own categories, even though they don't need to. Okay, what was I doing again? Okay, you know what? Let's test this. I really want to see this, so. Okay, new path. Seems equipment. Well, I fucked something up then. I think at one point I even had that in Derek Delights or whatever I call it now. I think that was actually something I did suggest when the derelict complications were added, like variable based off of how much the derelict or how worthwhile the derelict would normally be considered. Like an enemy is going to have a lot more of a high chance getting a pirate trap than a K-37, and the KR-37 is going to have almost no. That's not doing anything. So, or like the KR-37 isn't going to get any lightning. So, I'm going to put this back earlier because. That's its. I think it's like its base value is like 5 million, but you can't buy it for. Okay, you have to buy it for like 10 mil. So. I guess it's sentimental value in that, and also the fact is that hard work and what they put into it. It's not manufactured per se. Ah, there we go. So it was jagged, but I'm sure that's fine. Remember, this is a debug tool as is, so what do you mean I can't increase the trajectory fee? What the hell is going on? I physically cannot select the entry trajectory precision fee. Oh wait, I think I might know what's going on. Oh yeah, because this is a mouse. Ignore. That's true, and also the fact that there'd be a pirate nearby would also make sense, especially considering the fact that they use the abductor variant for it, which I think makes a lot of sense. Because, Okay. Yeah, now we go. So, given the fact that this is going to stick us right in the middle of it, let me turn up music, or master volume in general. Seems like the fast forward isn't working right now. Right. Okay, here we go, and we are right on the edge of. There you go. I don't know if you have good audio on it, but I'm hearing. In fact, let me get what should I call it? The RPC up and running. And if I go to Discord and okay, and okay, no, I don't care. Did I? Oh, don't tell me I didn't. Okay, I didn't turn on the RPC app. Never mind. So ignore me being delusional. I'm just gonna read Discord while I'm at it. So. Oh, so that's why you were asking about prospector variants. Okay. Not mystery, Western. Okay, if I had the RPC app up and running, I could show you. You just view like my Discord user and that. Well, you know what I can do? I can just remote onto this. No, I don't want the mod loader. Game music, because target mood. There you go. Western. Western 2, I think you're gonna know a lot better. Do you want to know why? Because it's a track that's used on the intro sequence. So, oh yeah, I need to take it to because it stuttered. But how cool is that? Oh yeah, I mean, should I maybe do it one day as well? My brother's got a decent mic. I'm sure I could, quote unquote, borrow, if you know what I mean. So, what am I gonna do? Oh yeah, I don't want underscore. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, that's it. I mean, okay. I've used the roads because I did video production for high school. And that the roads are really good. And velocity pass. I guess I'm just so used to going to that one. Here we go. Ring map. Okay. Here we go. And then. So. I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna do it like 10 times as slow because. Okay. Okay. That makes sense. Yeah. All right. Okay. Us. Who is it that? Who is it that did whatchamacallit? Actually, okay. When I boot up a save again, I'll see if I can find a salvaged OCP because that's 3 arms. But that sounds like something for whoever made. I forgot her name. Whoever made the K-Tech. That sounds like a K-Tech ship, to be honest. Okay, if it's greater than 60. I'm gonna say 60 or 10. No, that was just the IOE or Industries Inside. I don't think Space ever did any other mods other than that. So, because it's not Rain. I don't think it's. Yeah, there we go. It's Kader. Because I was thinking Rainer, but Rainer did NTCED. So, okay. Let's get. Okay, can't. Okay, clear. Okay, let me go to here. Nope, wrong one. How do I set? Okay, back to Google. Okay, I'm sure. Blink is purple, obviously. Give me a second. Alright, sorry about that. Okay, let's see. Okay. So I'm gonna just copy this, can't I? And then what do you mean it isn't declared in the... Okay, what's this one called? Chaos. Okay. Well, you know what I could do? Okay, well, it looks like something... Oh, it's that streamer mode banner. I hate the fact that the streamer mode banner just always appears. You can't just set it to just not appear. So... what was I doing? Documentation, canvas item. Oh dear, right before work too. Well, that's... I think this should work. Yeah, I mean, oh, yeah, I mean, I guess I can't really say anything about it. I don't even have a proper job yet, so. Okay, so let's see, does this... Yep. Debug. True. Oh, you know what I completely forgot to do? Reset this. That's fine. Well, at least I've set it up properly now, so I've got that. What was I gonna check? Okay, there's nothing just got... Okay. So, let me get, debug. So, there's the other thing. Do I want to have it, just one flat color? Or do I want to have it, like, change color, like, based off of the map that, I've given you? Because I suppose, since it is a debug, you know, tool, it doesn't have to be, you know, pretty, does it? Yeah, I mean, but then again, that's the other thing. I don't really know. And it's also a debug tool. That's not my issue. I mean, I'm planning on just having it in Hevlib just as like something, a neat tool you can use, but nothing that I'm ever going. It's like I said, debug tool. It's really for anyone who's developing mods and just wants to be able to, you know, test events. So I don't want to. I'm not planning on having it as like, hey, you can use this to figure stuff out without needing to. So I'm gonna say just to save myself the effort, because I think it would be cool. I think I'm going to switch over to what I'll do, actually, I'll copy up the color. Just so I have it on hand. Then stream texture. And so I'm just gonna see, not open. Okay, well, let's try that. So I've currently got it set to 0.5, which should be enough. It's like low enough that it's like the minimum for a Model E. Actually, you know what would be really cool? Is if I decide to start doing, you know, like the IME% speedruns. Okay. Well, is that what you were talking about with border and that? And actually, it's a lot more. It's a lot easier to see what's what as well. I mean, I don't think it would. I think. Yes, it does, right? Yeah. Okay. And then, okay, I'm gonna quickly change it back up to 0.65. And yeah, that looks neat, doesn't it? Wait, what do you mean? Like, what do you mean? Oh wait, like releasing in Hevlib? Is that what you're talking about? Oh, okay. I thought you were talking about the colors here. True and false looks like it could run out on the side. Yes, I did try and add spacings to this, but there's enough gap. I think I did leave enough of a gap there anyway. And I mean, well, this is a mod menu thing specifically, so if, I mean, I guess I could actually add a bit of space. I could do that because I need to update Hevel anyway. You know what? Or not even that. I can just straight up give it more, like, provide more space. The unfortunate thing is that I don't have like a base like setting box. Each one of them is its own scene, so I'd have to edit all of them. Yeah, there you go, padding. I mean, I kind of figured out, okay, action, I think action's the only one that doesn't need it, because I already did it. You know what, I'll copy this one, I'll see how this works. We'll try it on the Boolean one first. Oh, like all these, right? I mean, it's what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's half a dozen. It's. I have plans for more because with the whatchamacallit, the Discord RPC thing, I want to be able to have like an option to automatically launch the executable for the release app, and that's gonna be. Why did I even start the save? That's the other thing. So something like that, right? Or is that a bit much? Because I think it was. I mean, I think it's a bit much, to be honest. I mean, yeah, because it's the same thing as this button here, between, but... I mean, the true and false bits, that's actually a theme. Like, it is a texture file that the button uses as like a on or off texture. Okay, I think that's a bit much in my opinion. Okay, how many pixels is this? It's 50. See what 25 does? Right. I think it looks a bit much for me. Yeah, so I'm gonna try 25. I think 20 at minimum, maybe like 15 or 10. I don't even know why I entered the save, to be honest, because I can just access it here. Okay, that's 25. Okay, so I'll put AMD. I think I'll try 20. See what this does. Oh, give me a second. My brother's asking me something because... Idiot. Okay, right, what was I doing? Stupid brother trying to distract me from this stuff. Okay, oh yeah, I was going to test this, check this. Okay. Still seems like a bit much. I'm going to try 15. I want to try 15 just to say I did it. Because, yeah, that's decent already, I think. I don't think I noticed. I think, yeah, 15 is fine. Because I think that's the other thing, is it looks about, it's like twice, it's about the same width as the inside of the scroll bar, or thereabouts, so I think that looks okay to me. I think it actually looks pretty okay. Now just, okay, yeah, definitely need to do it for the other ones though. Do I have any? Yeah, so, okay. So I think that's what I want to do. Input, oh yeah, I already did one on the input side. This one's only 10. Yeah, okay. Actually, yeah, input one doesn't matter because that one's like a giant blank box anyway. So, but this one definitely does need it. Same with this one. I haven't actually used the string input one before. I think... Okay, well, let's see what this looks. I don't know why I haven't. I guess I just never needed it. Oh yeah, another thing, there's, oh, never mind. I was about to say, but you already reacted to it. Oh, hang on a second. Did you change your, did you change your, nickname in the Discord? That's funny. Okay, I'm gonna say Velocity Plus is probably an easy one, because there's ones with all types here. Yeah, but I think that looks a lot better. I mean, yeah, these ones you can already see it as like a small barrier, but like I said, input ones are just a giant blank box anyway. So... Okay, so what was I doing? Oh yeah, I was going back to this, wasn't I? So, in terms of, wait a second, I just realised. This makes it a lot easier to visualise, doesn't it? So, if I were to say, like stream later a bit on doing, like, the IME% speedrun, you know, that would be, I think this sort of thing would be useful. I mean, yeah, definitely not allowed to use, like debug console or... Yeah. I mean, yeah, like, okay, so, I mean, yeah, these are, like, as you expect, propeller cores are going to have it, because this is, like, yeah, this is, like, 0.65, like, almost all, basically all propellers have a little bit, but this one is really, really mild, apart from, like, 1 pixel there. I think that's, like... Yeah, I mean, then again, I've shown this months ago, you know, if you want to see this sort of thing, you can just, you know, go to my Twitch VODs and see it for yourself. There's also places like, I mean, yeah, it's like this one specific patch. Like, okay, so it's basically, I think I've been to this one before. I'm sure, like, that dive where we did, I went to this specific patch because it was accessible. But you can tell it was, like, this good from just looking at it, would you? Because, okay, I can't really disable it from here. I wish I had, like, a keybind I could use to toggle it, but it's fine. Okay, yeah, it was like, I think I remember you talking about these bands. Okay, I'm going to say, remember those bands? Private. Yeah, you wouldn't think that this is like one of the best areas in the entire... In fact, I'm just going to say, I'm going to take a hot shot guess. We'll see what this brings up, if I'm correct. I think it might have been because I remember you seeing a screenshot, you sending screenshots and asking me. In fact, let me open up the Discord real quick, and I will go have a look. And... yes, I think it was, actually. And actually, let me just re-enable it, see how well I did that. completely overshot it. It's over here. Yeah, oh yeah, I think that's why, because I was looking for this, I just completely forgot it was this one. Yeah. So I'm an idiot. But, you know, not news. Okay, oh yeah, I was going to do an achievement menu at some point, but that's later. I don't want to deal with that right now. Yeah, I've even got like the mod ready for it, so I don't even want I haven't even done anything with that yet. So, okay, that's what I wanted to do, really. I'm trying to think what else could I do. Because I was going to do some like refactoring of like drivers and that, but that's gonna take me forever because yeah, I just want to redo it entirely. So, you know what I'm gonna say? Let me check how much battery I've got. I don't even know if I'll be able to perform this. Okay, 54%. Should I do an attempt at like a IME percent speedrun? Just or like, should I just start like just see what it's like? Yeah, I'm gonna. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go to OBS. I'm gonna quickly change this. Okay. Well, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm going to quickly stop and fair enough. I'm gonna quickly. I'm gonna stop and stop stream for a second, and then restart streaming. So that way you're hearing the DV Twitch thing instead of just being like showing as I'm streaming it, but not actually appearing there. Which I think is a stupid thing that it doesn't do that. But okay. Okay, well, in that case, I'll start it off, and, okay, let me just duplicate this, and then make sure, I'm gonna disable all of these, because, something like that, close these up, so, okay, I'll just, come on, OBS, tell me that you actually found the, freaking game. So yeah, this is vanilla. Nope, don't want to do that. Okay, so there we go, now I can save that. So, I'm going to quickly turn off stream and turn it back on again, so, save this, and then I'll be back in a second.